Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 DRV Mobile Suites, the 39 DBRS3. This is the bath and a half model. Come on inside, let me show you. It's a beautiful coach. This just made the transportation from Indiana to here, Oregon here. So come on inside. Got the solid step coming in. This has got the new latte interior, which I really like, with the kind of a two-tone light dark accents that really bring out a very bright, light looking interior. Lots of windows. Got the dinette area here where the table unlocks, pulls out, and then expands out with another leaf in the middle. Two more folding chairs for the dinette. So we got a nice dinette area there. Overhead cabinetry has the piston supports there with the nice heavy-duty hinges. Nice and deep, easy access. Lots of storage throughout the whole length of the slide. The upgraded wood window valances. The MCD day and night roller shades. Insulated dual pane glass for the windows. Storage in behind here with cabinet doors and drawers with the USB and 110 plugins at the table as well. Plenty of lighting. We have the electric theater seating here with vibrate heat, recline, open and close. As we come around this side, we have a dimmer switch here for the living area, as well as our other lighting switches here and the switch for our ceiling fan. Overhead cabinetry, the center with the stained glass, etched glass in the middle. Very nice touch there. Real nice, lots of storage again there too. Panoramic view out the back window. We got the large residential style couch with hide-a-bed, with end tables on each side. Then we have the big LG, I believe it's a 55-inch smart TV. So not just the TV, it is a smart TV as well with the JBL soundbar. Little hideout here, or could be used as a desktop area. The fireplace, storage on both sides. And then again, tons of storage above. Got the Winegard electric TV antenna. More storage there. Pan over here, we got the big island with the dual stainless sink with squared corners, so it makes it a nice touch there. With the residential style faucet. Dishwasher. Drawers below. Drawers underneath the sink or cabinet doors underneath the kitchen sink area. Lots of storage inside. And then the drawer here, and then we have a garbage drawer here. So this helps us to remove our big 13-gallon garbage can. We got the kitchen area here with the appliance garage. That's a pull-out with a plug-in inside. Adjustable shelving here. Backlit glass cabinetry there. Nice big deep drawers there. All the way down, a bank of 3. More storage. Countertop area here. Cooktop with the 3-burner and the hinged pop-up here. When it's down, gives us counter space. Solid surface backsplash. New Furrion oven that's bigger. Direct spark ignition for the oven, which makes it very nice. Residential Whirlpool refrigerator with the deep freeze and tons of storage again above. Storage beside could be used as spice racks or what have you, but just no wasted space in this unit. We pan over this way, we get to the half bath for the downstairs, could be used for the guests or his and hers. But we got the bifold door here, which would be our stackable washer and dryer hookup area. And then storage above as well. Window in the bathroom. Ventilated with the fantastic fan. One-piece sink and vanity sink area and countertop. No seams. Storage above and below. We move up toward the upstairs. Here is our system station here with our slide outs, our monitors, our opens and closes for slides. We got a coat rack closet here. Step up into the bedroom. We got a nice solid door with mirrored backing with a nice positive lock. Into the bedroom area here with a king bed, vanity slide, padded ceiling, cabinets and storage, plug-ins, USB, lighting, all of above on both sides of the bed, as well as being able to open the window for breeze at night and get that cross ventilation with the fantastic fan in the ceiling. Very, very nice bedroom area. Storage underneath the bed. There's our storage for our 2 folding chairs for the dinette table. Then we have our dresser drawers here on the vanity slide. JBL soundbar with the LG TV in the bedroom as well. Dual sinks in this one. Bathrooms all the way forward. Dual sinks, no seams around the sink bowls with the countertop. Residential faucets. Lots of cabinets again. This unit just has tons of storage. Can't see where you'd run out. Plenty of plug-ins, plenty of lighting. Nice walk-in shower. You know, plenty of height, plenty of room. Got a seat in the shower. Sliding glass door. Then we get into the closet. So the 39 DBRS3 probably has one of the deepest closets that we're going to find. That's walk-in here with storage in behind. And you're going to find the safe built in the wall there with cedar lined. You got your shoe rack above. And a full bank of drawers in the closet with a mirror and a countertop area as well. It's all lit with its own lighting and plug-in outlets in the closet area. Very roomy, very homey. Great for full timing, great for recreation or whatever you want to use it for. But this would be taking the home on the road and having a nice, elegant, nice home with you. Come on outside. Let me show you some features outside. The nice solid step makes it real easy to exit and enter. It's got the storm door in the screen, so this comes out. We can remove this panel and let the breeze blow through or block the wind from coming in our screen door. We got our door window up here with our blackout shade. See through that way if we want. Keyless entry. Dual power awnings on both ends on the door side with full-length LED light strips. Nice big basement here with the pass-through storage and the pull-out drawer that pulls out from either side. This unit's going to have the Voyager backup system for a camera monitoring system as well. Beautiful paint job. Nice rock guard protection on the fifth wheel. And then up here, all the way out, nice big 2-piece end cap. More ride pin box up front. Up front here we'd have the cold storage where the generator could go if we opted to have a generator, or it's what I call the cold storage. Nice exterior storage area there. Batteries and hydraulic systems right there with your battery disconnect switch. Big 10-gallon propane tanks on a slide-out tray. The other side of the pass-through storage, your monitor panel there for the auto leveling system, full house water manifold system with heat duct blowing to the water systems, as it is getting cold now, so we want to make sure we don't freeze up, as well as having the full house filtration system. Uh, 12-gallon gas and electric hot water system, storage below, 17.5 rubber and wheels with tapered lug nuts so they don't back off on you. This unit will have center caps that cover those wheel covers that will cover up and look nice. It just came in transported from Indiana, so has not been through our PDI system, have not installed the hubcaps, but they go along with it. 12 volt 50 amp cord reel. Makes it real nice to pull that cord in on a cold day. Big panoramic view out the back windows, all LED lights, ladder system, again backup camera, hitch and receiver with plug-in. A little more outside storage on the back corner here. Just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful mobile suites. Just came in. It's got the right colors. So if you're looking for something like this, please contact me at 541-979-1770. It's Clay Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. If it's not this model, I have several others in stock to choose from. Make sure you contact me. I'd be happy to show you around. Thank you.